guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday morning. I got my weigh in. I'm super confused but excited. It always happens this way when I eat late and then I'm like, oh, I just messed up my weigh in, it's gonna be ruined, and then I get a new low. So, but the part I'm confused about is first I weighed, what did I get? I got like 234 or something. And I got on the scale like 5 times and it gave me the same weight each time. And then I'm like, okay, well, this is weird. Tried the other scale and I got like 238. Okay. So I moved the other scale and got back on it. And then I got 237. Tried the other one, got 237. Moved them again. 237. You know what? I think it's my bathroom floor. I think my bathroom floor is what causes the differences in my scales all the time. Because why would both scales do this now? It's very weird. Either way, I could not recreate the 234 again, even though I did it 4 times the first time. As much as I wanted to say 234. I think I'm ending at 237, which is a new low. 237. Ugh. So 237 is what it is, guys. I did not IF yesterday because I went like, it was like midnight and I started watching Netflix and I was like, you know what? I don't care. I want some salami and cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning. And then I had some granola. I went way over on everything yesterday. Not way over on carbs, but way out over on protein and fat. And it definitely wasn't high protein. I had more fat than protein. But I don't know, maybe my body was just wanting more fats due to the period. I don't know. So, I'm not mad. I didn't wake up starving or anything like that. I didn't wake up with a headache or whatever. But I'm in the boys' room and I'm going to clean it. I'm going to shampoo the carpet in here. I'm moving their bookshelf in here. So keeping myself productive this morning. So I don't know how long it'll be before I actually do eat. But I have my Sole water. And I'm going to get started. Alright guys, I got done cleaning the boys' room a while ago. I shampooed the carpet, vacuumed it, made the bed, everything. I did some laundry, cleaned the living room, I cleaned the kitchen, I mopped, I swapped. Basically my house is clean. I've gathered all the cans because here in Michigan there is actually a deposit when you buy pop or carbonated drinks, and when you return them you get 10 cents back. So we save our cans here in Michigan. And I'm returning them to the grocery store next door to my home. And then I'm going to pick up some just like things that I need for the week for food. I'm not sure what really. I have lunch meat, probably like produce, some almond milk. Not a lot. We'll see. I don't know really what I want. But why are you looking at me? Why? Yeah. Okay. So I got $9.41 back from turning in my cans, and I grabbed some chorizo and some 2 packs of brats, some almond milk, I got a orange vanilla Coke Zero. What else did I get? 2 things of Faye yogurt. I'm at a loss. I mean, I didn't get a lot of stuff. I'm just forgetting something. So many backup cameras on my car, and not so many. I have one, and I never use it. That's a lie. I use it all the time. What else did I get? The cashier, she's young. She was funny. She's like, I like your tattoos. And I'm like, thank you. And she goes, well, first she said, I like your tattoo. I said, thank you. And then she said, well, I like all of them. And I said, oh, thank you. And then she said, is that all that you have on your arms besides for the one on your chest? And I said, yeah. And she said, my mom won't let me get any more until I turn 18. My mom wouldn't let me get any until I turned 18. And I said, yeah, well, this was my first tattoo. And I regret getting it where I got it. I never regret a tattoo because it was part of my life. And it will remind me of part of my life. I will never regret any of my tattoos. Because I can remember exactly what part of my life I was in when I got them. And I love my tattoo. I may not listen to ICP really anymore, probably at all. But that was such a huge part of my life. Huge. It made me who I am today. But I don't wish that I would have gotten it where I got it. Right there on my wrist where everybody can see. She says, why? I said, because when you're 18 and somebody comes up to you and says, oh, you're a juggalo? You're a juggalette? Yeah, you down with the clown? You're like, hell yeah, I'm down with the clown. You're all excited. You're all happy. Yeah, when you turn 37 and you're like, somebody's like, whoop, whoop. You like ICP? I'm like, oh, God. See what I'm saying? She stopped talking after that. She didn't like what I had to say, I guess. Just being real. Okay, let's get inside. Okay, so this is what I got. This is what I forgot. I got a roast. I got the 2 packs of brats that I said. One is cheddar and bacon. One is original. This one is 2 net carbs. This one is it 3? No, this one is 2. And this one is 2. They had all kinds of flavors, but they were all 3. And I'm like, really? I'm not doing that. 2 packs of the Faye yogurt, 0% fat. This is how I get protein in. Add some of the flavored Mio drops for some flavor to it, so it's not so gross. Some caramel Premier Protein. I'm going to actually break my fast with one of these today. I'm going to mix it in some coffee. I needed some garbage bags, lemon scent, and some chorizo. And this is the only chorizo that they had, which really stinks. But, yeah, this one is 2 net carbs for this. Now, you can find it 0 net carbs, but that's all they had, and I didn't feel like going to another store. So, I need to, oh, and I did get almond milk and my sugar-free Coke, 0 orange vanilla. All right, I'm going to make something. All right, guys, this is dinner. And then I do have a snack planned for later to meet my protein. I have a salad here that has everything but the bagel seasoning on top of it. Parmesan crisp, some cucumber, some 3-cheese ranch, spring mix salad, cheddar cheese, and then I also threw some hemp seeds and flaxseed on there to help aid in my digestion. And because why not? I want it. And then I have, I think this is 3 of the cheddar and bacon bratwurst by Johnsonville. I cooked these with some mustard. I cooked these in the Instapot here. So here's what's left. I'll have these for like lunch and dinner throughout the rest of the week. Like 2 carbs a piece, but after they're cooked down and everything, I weighed them. And so this is 5 carbs for this right there. So I've not eaten anything today, you guys. And it's 3:56. I did make about an hour ago this coffee mixed with the Premier Protein Caramel. I added in my collagen and I've been sipping on that. After this, I will have my Sole water mixture that I make, and then I have my meal here. So I'm doing pretty good today. I will get back with you when I do the Greek yogurt, and then I'm going to have great macros today, you guys. And I'm not going to stray from the path. So this is what I'm eating, and I'm pretty pleased with it. Okay, so here's my yogurt. I sweetened it with the, I don't know, purple. I don't know what flavor it is. I think grape, berry, something. Meal. Hey guys, so had my yogurt, had my dinner. I'm not hungry. I'm super bored, braided my hair. I'm going to take Link for a walk. So get my daily exercise in, and then probably sit down and edit yesterday's video and today's video. I'm behind, guys. I am behind. Ready for tomorrow. I don't know. I just want longer time on the weekend, even though I'm literally not doing anything. Oh well. Go for a walk. Hey guys. Me and Link just went to the pet store and it was closed because he needed puppy food. Mwah. So we came over to the farm and home. Family farm and home. I never can say this dang name. Anyways, I don't know if I should feel flattered or skeezed out. Because like 3 dudes, like, dudes were like, they were in front of me in line. And they just kept looking at me and going. And I'm like, I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at the floor. And they just kept looking at me, like the cash register lady was like trying to like give them their receipt, and they were just staring at me, and they're like, ugh.